Prime Minister Modi will be addressing the nation at 6 p.m. today. He took to Twitter to announce that he will be addressing the country at 6 p.m. today, saying, and I quote, "Will be sharing a message with my fellow citizens at 6 p.m. this evening. There is no clarity just yet on what precisely the Prime Minister will be speaking on, but the announcement comes at the start of the festive season in the country and also before the Bihar election. Prime Minister Modi in the last many months has held a series of televised addresses on the fight against coronavirus. The last time he addressed the country was on Independence Day, where again he stressed how the country must remain cautious during the pandemic. Meanwhile, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has said he wants the Prime Minister to speak about China. Rahul said that he wants Prime Minister Modi to speak on the standoff in Ladakh at 6 p.m, but said that the Prime Minister doesn't have the guts to utter a word about China.
BJP needs to reflect on why the Chinese have the power to be sitting inside Indian territory today. The Chinese have taken more than 1,200 square kilometers of Indian territory. The BJP needs to think about why, what has given the Chinese this strength. I'll tell you what has given the Chinese this strength. Chinese have got this strength to sit inside India because the BJP has destroyed India's economy, because they have mishandled COVID, because at every opportunity they divide this country, because they take decisions without asking the people of this country. And that is why we have a foreign power occupying 1,200 square kilometers of our land. And we have our Prime Minister lying to our nation about this occupation.
Rahul Srivastava, National Affairs Editor, is with me live for more on the story in the build-up to the speech by Prime Minister Modi at 6 p.m. Rahul, there is a general buzz that this is, could likely be another appeal by the Prime Minister related to COVID ahead of the festive season, given that there have been surges in other parts of the country, even as the overall rise in cases has actually lessened to a remarkable extent in the last 3 months. What are you picking up, Rahul?
Sure, with a man like Prime Minister Narendra Modi hazarding a guess is really a problem. He believes in this shock and awe element. And there are one he believes in shock and awe. Then second is, I have seen that most of his moves have a political spin to them. Go back to 27th of March 2019, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi, right in the middle of the campaigning for 2019 Lok Sabha elections, you reported on it majorly, was that anti-satellite weapon system.
Yes.
The Prime Minister went on a live address. Now, in the last few days, India has tested various missiles in its arsenal. So what once elimination is saying that let's rule that out, some big scientific achievement or other. Yes, one big possibility is a COVID caution, I will say. COVID caution that festival season, election and several others, there has been a certain green shoot in terms of slowing down as far as the infection of cases is concerned.
Yes.
So the Prime Minister may come out and tell the country that this is a moment, perhaps even do what he has done earlier, Thali Bajao, or salute the COVID warriors and others. But I think that does not have a political spin to it. I am doing an assessment that what the Prime Minister would like to achieve. Given the kind of political animal that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is, he will like to have some traction. So when it looks for traction, can it be what India Today reported nearly 6 days back, Shiv, if you recall, is a possibility that Nirmala Sitharaman, Finance Minister, had speaking to us, said that the doors to a stimulus are not closed. Now, why I say that, festival season is an ideal time when the government has been looking for increasing demand in the system.
Right.
Supply side issues were addressed in the Atmanirbhar Bharat package during the lockdown period, but the demand side is the new focus. Can it be something to do with a stimulus? One. Can it be something to do with boosting demand? Now, if I divide the demand element, one can be putting the money directly in the hands of the public through a DBT. That can be ruled out because it will be too outrageous with the model code of conduct in place with lakhs of at least 20 lakh migrants in Bihar. The second could well be, which is a possibility, is some kind of a demand stimulus for the middle class in terms of the salaried people.
Right,
The government has
right.
given concessions on HTC and others. Can that be because Bihar has a sizable middle class taxpayers?
Absolutely.
Now, is that what the Prime Minister is going to target? But beyond that, I will say these are my calculations, but nothing to do with what the Prime Minister may today announce.
Very interesting. Rahul, thanks for setting the stage for us. Interesting to see that, you know, like you rightly said, it's always a risky business trying to predict what the Prime Minister will say. But we've got this atmosphere, we've got all these indicators, COVID, Bihar elections. I think that's a safe bet to say that there is going to be a political element to it, but it will likely be about the upcoming festive season and the COVID-19 figures. Well, that's our guess. We'll see how it actually plays out. You'll be hearing more from Rahul in just a short while.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.